8898 Pro Soldering Station. Upgraded version. 1. The content displayed on the 8898 Pro screen will be richer. It is more convenient for you to check the soldering station value while working. The red icon flashes when the temperature rises. 2. Added a main switch for safer use. 8898 has only 2 independent switches. 8898 Pro, after turning on the main switch, you can turn on the switches of the soldering iron and soldering station separately. 3. The temperature can be switched between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Press the SET button twice to switch. This side of the heat gun can also be switched between Celsius and Fahrenheit. 4. Added temperature compensation function. Soldering irons and heat guns have this function. Long press the up and down keys to enter the temperature compensation mode. The temperature can be adjusted as needed. 5. Added one-button cold air function. Long press the set button and call will appear on the screen, indicating that the cold air mode has been entered, which can lower the temperature of the heat gun.